When your child pushes away dinner for the third night in a row, you probably slip into one of three reactions. You beg, you bargain, or you whip up a second meal. And you do it because you love them. But here's the hidden truth most parents never see. Every one of those well-intentioned reactions actually teaches your child to refuse again next time. Meanwhile, in France, parents rely on one simple feeding rule supported by two invisible pillars that quietly end mealtime battles. Imagine this. It's 6:30 p.m., dinner is ready, your child glances at the plate and instantly declares, "I don't like this." So you negotiate 3 bites for dessert, or plead, "Just try the chicken." Or exhausted, you give up and reach for the mac and cheese. And while you're cooking that backup meal, you feel it. That mix of stress, defeat, and confusion because dinner time turned into a war zone again. But none of this is your fault. You're doing what you've been taught. And once you understand what's truly happening, you can change the pattern. There are 3 common mistakes almost every parent makes without realizing it. Mistake 1, making a second meal. When you serve something else after they refuse, you reinforce one powerful idea. If they hold out long enough, you'll switch the menu. Mistake 2, pressure, just 1 bite. Please eat your veggies. Even gentle nudging triggers the control paradox. The more you push, the more they resist. Mistake 3, constant snacking. The crackers at 4 p.m., the granola bar in the car, the juice box at 5:30, they seem harmless, but they erase the one force that motivates kids to try new foods: hunger. So what do French parents do differently? They follow a simple rule called le menu unique, one family, one meal. But before we go there, you need to understand the biology behind your child's behavior. First, neophobia, the built-in fear of new foods. Adults feel it mildly when trying unfamiliar cuisine. Children feel it intensely. This isn't stubbornness, it's normal development. Second, the control paradox. Imagine your partner hovering over your plate saying, "Come on, 3 more bites." You'd want to scream. Kids feel that same loss of autonomy. Research shows that pressure makes children eat less of the food, not more. Third, the appetite cycle. When you're truly hungry, even simple foods taste better. Most kids never reach real appetite at mealtime because endless snacks keep their hunger low. French parents embrace appropriate hunger, not starvation before meals. They know it's the biological key that unlocks curiosity, cooperation, and trying new foods. Now the rule, part 1, one family meal. The parent chooses what's served. The child chooses whether and how much to eat. No alternate meals, no negotiations. This isn't strict, it's structural. Part 2, the polite taste. Kids don't have to like or finish anything, but they do have to taste. One polite bite. The magic is in sensory talk. Is it crunchy or soft? Salty or sweet? This shifts the focus from obedience to curiosity. Even smelling or touching the food counts as exposure. Children usually need 8 to 15 exposures before accepting a new food. Part 3, the 2-hour hunger window. No snacking within 2 to 3 hours of dinner except water. One small afternoon snack, then nothing until the meal. Without this window, the entire system collapses because there's no biological drive to eat. Here's how it works at home. Step 1, serve one balanced meal with at least one safe food they already like. Step 2, require a single polite taste. Step 3, after tasting, they choose what to eat from what's served. Step 4, stick to the schedule. No emergency snacks. Step 5, make no comments about what or how much they eat. A typical exchange, "I don't like green beans." You don't have to like them. You do need one taste so your tongue learns. They taste, make a face, and you respond with curiosity. Soft or crunchy, that's it. They eat the rice and chicken and ignore the beans, and that's a win. Exposure number 1, most parents quit too early. But by exposure 8 or 10, the resistance softens. By 15, they might actually enjoy the food. Expect this timeline: days 1 to 3, testing and pushback. Days 4-7, hunger kicks in, meals improve. Weeks 2 to 3, battles fade, weeks 4 to 6. This becomes normal. You're not training your child to clean their plate. You're teaching them lifelong skills: how hunger works, how new foods become familiar, how structure makes meals safe. Consistency does the heavy lifting. You just hold the rhythm. Take a breath, you've got this.